Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up a Ford Flex. First, always park your vehicle on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake completely and place wheel chocks behind the wheels opposite the side you are lifting. Gather your jack stands, and any other necessary tools before you begin. Now, let's find the correct jack points. For the front, look for the pinch weld just behind the front wheels. At the rear, locate the pinch weld in front of the rear wheels. These are reinforced areas designed to support the vehicle's weight. Always consult your Ford Flex owner's manual for precise locations and additional guidance. With your jack points identified, position your jack securely underneath one. Slowly begin to raise the vehicle until it reaches your desired working height. Once lifted, carefully place jack stands under the vehicle's frame rails, close to the jack point. Then, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, ensuring it is stable before working. When you are ready to lower your Ford Flex, first slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack, just enough to take the weight off the jack stands. Carefully remove the jack stands from underneath. Then, slowly and steadily lower the vehicle all the way to the ground. Finally, remove the jack and the wheel chocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.